All right, today we're gonna bring a portable fan, and this is not just an ordinary fan. It's actually a sprayer too. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get. First of all, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. And let's start with the actual bottle. They give you an actual bottle where you actually have to add water to it because it's a mister too. It gives you a little mist on it. It's perfect for outdoors, indoors, anywhere. If you're gonna cool off and you're gonna go out to a day's event, you can take this with you. Now, there is a little mechanism in here that you could actually cradle it in, and that's to actually put it in the stand mode, and you can put it anywhere, facing anywhere. Of course, instructions are included in here. There's two modes on it. There's a power button in here. That's 1, 2, and 3, which is only 2 modes because the 3 it turns off after. But it's pretty, it locks in here, so you could have it as a regular fan. You could remove this metal piece. It doesn't have to be there. It's just only for if you want to set it up as a stand. It's flexible if you want to just stand it there, but if you prefer, if you want to stand it up, use the actual stand itself. But taking it out with you, walking around, throwing some mist on you, it's pretty handy, pretty neat. And on top of that, they do give you a lithium battery and a charging area. You need to charge this with a micro USB connection. If you guys can see it, it goes on the side panel. When you turn it on, the power button goes on. It means if it's red, you need to charge it up, and then that's where it actually retains more battery. It will last you for many hours, especially the mode. If you have it on a fast-paced mode, it's gonna run out within a couple of 8 hours or less, but this will last you all day if you go into single mode. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.